In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable vibration for messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. Then right here tap Add Notifications. Scroll down until you find Messages, then get into it. And that's where you can easily find Sounds. Once you get into Sounds, at the very top you will find Haptics. You need to get into it, and first off you need to ensure that it is not set to None. If None is selected just like that, it means that currently vibration for messages are toggled off on your device. To enable it, you just need to select any other option from that list. By default, it is set to synchronize, which is default, it says here. However, we can also select any other haptic pattern from that list. If you take your device in hand and if you then tap at any item on that list, you will feel the vibration, and that's how you can choose the preferred vibration pattern here. And also we can create our custom patterns by hitting Add Create New Vibration. That's a really simple process. We can just stop right here, and then we just need to tap one or several times at the screen in the way we would like our device to vibrate. Then hit stop. You can take your device in hand, hit play to feel that vibration, then stop, and if you would like to save it, hit save, then name it and hit save. After that, your custom vibration pattern will appear right here, and you will be able to choose it in that list. If later on you will decide to delete these patterns, all you have to do is just swipe to the left and then hit delete. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.